How is it going, everyone? This is Ronald Eshelman coming doing a video from Audi of Wilmington in this beautiful RS3 this morning. I wanted to talk a few things over with you about why I love doing my job, why I love working here for Audi of Wilmington, why I love selling Audis, and also, just why I got into the car business. So the first things, I like to help people out. That's the biggest thing I love to do, is make people smile, make people laugh, just bring joy to their face. People come in here, they trust us with some huge responsibilities, a lot of personal information, and I just want to be able to help them out, be able to help them achieve what they want to achieve, drive the car they want to drive. It's I don't know if there's a misconception. People think car salesmen are out to get them, but there might be some, but me, definitely not. I'm here to I'm here to do right by my customers. I'm a friend, I'm an advisor, and I'm here to help you out. I wanna create a lifelong relationship and bond that someone you can come to that's gonna work very hard for you, and someone's gonna have your back, and that's why I got into this. I've been around car dealerships while in the military, just going to them, seeing soldiers get into cars, and some soldiers get out there and they are promised this beautiful Mustang or Camaro, and guaranteed, but their interest rates are really high. So I just don't want to take advantage of people. That's just not what I want to do. It's not how I was raised. And why I got into Audi of Wilmington, it's just a great brand. Audi's a great brand. Audi is amazing. Once you drive an Audi, you'll see why you like it, why you love an Audi. They sell themselves, easy to drive, very smooth. I just love. I couldn't say. There's a lot I could say about Audi. Just their quattro drive system and everything about them, the innovation. And Audi in Latin means to listen. So that's what we're here for, to listen to our customers. And I love Audi of Wilmington. We're our management bought us some bunch of suits, have us all looking good here, spend a lot of money, and they really care about us. They did team building events. They're here. They show they really care about us, and that's why I love working here. That's why I love coming in every day, doing my best, selling cars here at Audi of Wilmington. Now, we just don't sell cars; we sell relationships. We're here. We're building a huge multi-million-dollar facility, renovating this whole area. So it's going to be pretty exciting when everything gets done and everything opens up. That's what I look forward to each and every day, just coming in here and seeing the progress that's done. If anybody has any questions for me, if you ever need help with anything, that's just one thing that I love to do, and why I got into this is help people. Anything, any questions, you don't feel right at a certain dealership, you don't feel right about a few things, about where you went, where you've been, I'll help you out. Just drop me a line, I'll get to you as soon as I can. That's pretty much it. I just love I love making people smile. I love making people laugh. That's what I do. Come in here at Audi of Wilmington, it's gonna be a good time. Alright, I'm the life of this party. You know what I'm saying? So drop on by. We'll have an amazing time. There will be some more videos like this. Why I love doing what I do. What to expect with me. I'll probably drop another video later on this afternoon. What to expect when you come in to see me. Kind of a little bit about the process, and just not to be scared about it. Not to come in and be fearful. Not to come in and be nervous. Not to. I just want you to come in and open up to me, and I'll help you out the best I can. So I'll drop some videos like this, some how-to videos on different vehicles, demonstration drives, possibly some interviews with some management, some other sales consultants, some Audi brand specialists we have here. If there's any topics that you guys want to go over, just let me know. I'll go over them. I'll create some videos, maybe see some karaoke. You know what I'm saying? Audi Wilmington karaoke. So, alrighty. Well, I'm gonna get off here, go back to putting in work and helping people out. Y'all have a beautiful Friday, good weekend, and God bless. Thank you.